the top mindset that allows you to quickly self-learn anything. Start by creating something garbage-like. The idea of starting with garbage means skipping over the what and why and directly jumping into the how. This is because the essence of learning is adaptation. By learning the knowledge and experiences accumulated by humanity over thousands of years, we can think as if we've lived for millennia, thereby harnessing immense energy far beyond other creatures to adapt to and even transform our environment. Learning is actually an innate talent of all humans. From the day we are born, we continuously adapt to our surroundings through conscious or unconscious learning. Whoever can better and faster adapt to the environment has a greater survival advantage and can acquire more survival resources. Therefore, the ultimate goal of all our learning is simply to survive. And the most efficient way to adapt to the environment is experiential learning. The saying, "People can't teach people, only experiences can," reflects the scientific principle that all knowledge, whether read from books or heard from teachers, is merely isolated concepts stored in the brain. The number of neural connections that can form in the brain is very limited. However, when truly experiencing something in the real world, all human senses are engaged. In specific situations, one has to actively think, consuming a lot of energy. Repeatedly using these factors comprehensively promotes the formation of neural connections in the brain and strengthens their electrochemical activities. It's like living abroad for 6 months is more effective than studying English domestically for over a decade. Only through personal experience can abstract knowledge be transformed into concrete experience, making memory especially profound, understanding thorough, and application doubly proficient. However, traditional education has left a deep imprint on our thinking. Whenever we want to learn something, we tend to start by buying a lot of books and courses, spending most of our time understanding the what and why. As a result, the entire learning process becomes very tedious and inefficient, and our initiative and enthusiasm are worn out. Solving problems becomes theoretical, and when faced with complex and ever-changing realities, we retreat step by step, leading to nothing. Therefore, if you want to quickly understand a field, learn a skill, or achieve a result through self-study, you must first break out of the traditional educational mindset and shift from theoretical learning to experiential learning. All learning should start from practical application, and all knowledge should be problem-solving oriented. One specific method is project-based learning. Step 1. Write down your purpose for wanting to understand a specific field, learn a skill, or accomplish something, ensuring that your subsequent actions do not deviate from the goal. Step 2. Through relevant searches, identify the key steps and key problems that need to be solved. Step 3. Create an action project based on the key steps and problems, constructing the framework of how to do it. Step 4. Fill in the what and why theories as you encounter actual problems during the project. Step 5. Put the knowledge and experience you've gained into practice, continuously iterating and innovating your cognitive framework and execution methods. Step 6. Repeat the cycle of learning, practicing, and reflecting. Take creating content for social media as an example. If you want to improve your content writing skills and personal influence through social media, the key step is to produce written content, and the key issue is how to get more people to engage with your content. Then, set up an action project, create an account, publish one original piece of content daily, and understand the entire process from topic selection to final publication. Document, analyze data, and review results promptly. After publishing a few pieces, beginners will inevitably face questions like what to write, how to write it, when to post, and why the engagement is low. With these specific questions, seek answers, research quality accounts, consult industry experts, study content dissemination, analyze user psychology, and then put your findings into practice for validation. Keep the effective actions, adjust the ineffective ones, and repeat this process. In less than 3 months, your content quality and data performance will surpass most others in the field, because most people rely on their assumed intelligence, unwilling to put in the hard work to identify and solve problems. Many merely imitate others' successful content, assuming they've found a shortcut, but they're only wasting their time. In the realm of social media, they gain no valuable insights or abilities, just repeat meaningless actions. So, I've made the method clear. I hope those who take me as a benchmark will think deeply, create earnestly, express sincerely, and generate more valuable content for everyone. Back to the main point, applying project-based learning has three major benefits. First, it combines knowledge and skills with real-world situations, solving practical problems and converting theoretical knowledge into practical experience, making memory more durable. Second, learning content can be more flexible and efficient, allowing you to adjust plans and progress based on your project situation, pausing or adding as needed. Third, through practical application, you can quickly see the results and feedback of your learning, generating a stronger motivation for continuous learning and iteration. By adopting the mindset of starting with garbage, you can quickly learn anything. It's not about learning first before doing, but doing first to truly learn. Even the worst start will yield feedback, and as long as there's feedback, there's a way to improve. As long as you can improve, there's a chance to turn waste into treasure. Knowledge can only make you knowledgeable. Experience can make you insightful. Standing in place with idle thoughts results in all problems. Moving forward to take action results in all answers.